Hello viewers, welcome back. This is Sridhar here and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what exactly is single sign-on, and I will also demonstrate how we can create a single sign-on solution for our project. Single sign-on is a technique by which we make sure that once the user logs into any of the applications of an organization with valid credentials, that user should not need to enter his or her credentials each and every time he or she visits any other application of that particular organization. The very common example could be the Google Suite or the Google Authentication. Whenever, for example, if I log into my Gmail account and if I wish to go to the Google Drive or Google Classroom or Google Hangouts, whatever, I am not being asked to enter my password again and again. This is exactly what we call a single sign-on. Once I log in with my Gmail or Google credentials, I am not required to enter my credentials each and every time I would like to access any of the applications of Google. So let me start with this hands-on application of single sign-on, and I hope you all will like it. Stay tuned. Okay, so to create a single sign-on solution for your application or for your project, the very first thing is you could log into this website which is called as auth0.com. Auth0.com is a medium by which you can create such authentication solutions. For example, you're having an organization with few applications and you would like the single point of authentication to be used by all of those applications. In such a case, you can use this website which is called as auth0.com. It's very simple to create an account over here. Just log in with your Gmail account or Facebook or LinkedIn account, and with the help of that you can simply get access to the Auth0 engine. It provides 21 days of free access, so you can test it on your application. If it suits your organization's needs, then you can obviously purchase the license. Very first thing is you need to authenticate yourself over here. Okay, so for logging in, I already have an account over here, so I will simply select it and get inside the authentication engine. Over here, once it loads up, you will see that it provides n number of solutions, n number of technologies for you to select from. So let me give you a quick demo of what exactly single sign-on looks like. Basically, I have got the inspiration for this video from one of the YouTube channels, My PHP Notes. I will give you the link of that channel in my description box. Kindly you can check that channel also. So let's see what exactly is single sign-on. Basically, we are having two applications, or in this case we are having two websites which belong to an organization. In this case, I am sharing notes of my particular subject, for example ASSDF, Advanced System Security and Digital Forensics. So I would like my students to interact with each other with the help of this forum, or they could even visit the home page and check out the notes. So let me quickly switch on to a different browser to show you how exactly things work. I have already logged into that browser, so I am not using the Chrome. So I can basically switch to something like this. Okay, this is the first page, that is forum page. Similarly, the second page is exercise 2. Okay, these are two different applications which I am opening. First is the forum, second is the home page. So if I click on the home page, for instance, this sort of authenticator pops in. Okay, so first of all, you can create your account with this website, or if you are having an account, in my case I am already having an account, so I will enter that account over here and type in the password which I had selected during the registration process. Once I enter that, I am authenticated to the second website. Okay, these are the details. I have not worked upon the CSS as much. These are the details which have been captured during the authentication process. For example, my username, this is my email ID with which I have logged in. Obviously the password won't be shown. Okay, you can see this is a gravatar, or you can say an avatar of my name. This is automatically being created. If I copy this and paste it and open it up, this is how my gravatar will look like. Okay, in the same fashion, if I now wish to access any other application, for example if I wish to access the forum section of my website, I can simply click on this and let's see what happens. Let it load up, it will take some time. Now you can see that I have simply got access to the website without even any need of entering my passwords or selecting my email ID and so on. This is happening entirely because of single sign-on. Because I have already logged into the home page, so I am not required to log into the forum page again and again. Okay. So this is how we can create a single sign-on. This was just a demo of the single sign-on application which I have created. In the next video, I will show you how to exactly start creating a single sign-on solution from scratch. So stay tuned for the next part of this particular video. Thanks a lot.